The conference, tagged Charity Begins at Home, is an offshoot of 40 million Ballot project which started 3 years ago with stakeholders' engagement across the country on the need to enthrone good leadership in Nigeria by electing a credible president, irrespective of tribe and religious inclination. Organized by a non-governmental and partisan organization, the movement also aims at securing a better future for all Nigerians, hence the sensitization of Southeast leaders to join hands in achieving the objective. Dr. Yudisa Tanko is the spokesperson, Third Force Coalition for Labour Party.
I was very elated because seeing the kind of numbers of people that came out, and we are grateful to Ebonyans for showing this kind of love, for coming out in large number to support this particular movement.
Other speakers, including the leadership of NLC and TUC, said there are indications that people are ready to work towards the rebirth of the new country in 2023.
As workers' organization, driven politically, we are saying we can no longer continue to sit down and complain, but time is now for us to take our destiny in our hands.
The conference is an awakening, a reawakening, a clarion call for the elites of southeastern Nigeria to come out.
The event had a mammoth crowd of youths who indicated interest in joining the movement for a better Nigeria.
We have decided to save Nigeria, no going back, no going back.
In Abakaliki, Innocent Abo, NTA News.